Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Comic, and in today's video we are going to discuss about creating simple GIF banners. What is a GIF banner? You might have gone to various websites and seen that there are banners which are blinking, and the text might be blinking, the click now might be blinking, the discount part might be blinking, and it's generally they are very catchy, and mostly they tend to get more clicks. That's the reason people try to create GIF banners. The reason why I wanted to create this video is because I learned creating GIF banners. Right now, maybe a few days back, and I realized that the reason behind creating your own GIF banners or any banners is that you will be able to make yourself stand apart from other people who are making use of the same banners which are given by the product or services owner, and you are not just showing the same banners over and over again and just hoping that people might click. So say if you are creating your own banners and even creating some animation there, putting your own image there, then there are good chances that people would start noticing you because your banners would be different one, and they will also start clicking on your banners as well. So if you are an affiliate marketer and you are making use of the banners provided by various traffic exchanges or list builders or even the website owners, then you need to think about creating your own GIF banners. And in today's video, I'm just trying to tell you that how you can create a simple GIF banner. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you have not seen GIF banners, these are some of the examples here, and then there are various shapes and sizes of these banners as well. So you can see there there is one 300 into 600 size banner, which could be on the right hand side of your website or a left hand side of the website. This 300 and 250 is also placed on the right side primarily, while this banner 728 into 90 would be mostly put on the top of the website or at the bottom of the website, mostly at the top of the website. So these are some of the examples of the banners you could be seeing in various websites. So let's figure out as to how you can create some simple GIF banners. So I'm just moving on to one of the places wherein I could show you that what are the different types of banners available. So this is one type of banner wherein your uh, texts are going up and down, and then there is one text which is like blinking. Then this is the another one wherein one by one things are opening up, and then finally the click here button is also our link is also coming there. That is one typical kind of GIF banner you would see is this, wherein your button, there will be a button and then there will be a text which will be blinking. We will try to create this first. This is as well there, as in your text would be changing one at a time. That as well we'll try to create. So and then finally this is the one wherein there is a background image and the text is changing. So maybe two or three kind of banners we would try to create one by one. And for that, I would suggest you make use of Canva first. So if you don't have free access to Canva, please go ahead and then create your own login, and many things you would be able to create for free there. So uh, the very first thing which we will be doing is we will come login now first, and then come to this place, come to this button, create a design. We will put our own banner size. 468 into 60 is mostly the banner size which is allowed in various traffic exchanges, and that's why I'm trying to create this banner. Click on this create a new design button, and you would land over here. Once you are here, you can choose various templates which are available. I will choose one of the templates. This is the template I've chosen. Let's move this a little up, this text a little up. Okay, it's not moving. Move. All right, now you can come here and get an element called button from here. um, let's take a free button which could be, okay, this one. Let's take this one and put it here. Move it a little down, make it a little bigger so that you would be able to put some text here. You can move it a little further up, bring in some text, say buy now with the text I'm trying to bring. Okay, not even needed, probably you can just drag a headline and put it over here, call it buy now, make it a little bigger. I'm assuming you know how to use Canva, otherwise it's like very simple tool to use. As you can see that I could create this in a jiffy. Now once you have created this, all you got to do is you have to create another copy of it. So the idea behind GIF banner is that there will be multiple layers to the animation, and mostly there will be two or three or four, however many you would want. There will be banners behind each other, and what would change is only one element, so that there is a good effect coming in. So what I'm gonna change here is this text only. I'm going to change the color of text to red, and now you can see that there are two images here, two images, one this one, another one here, and then only thing which is changing here is the color of the text. All you got to do is you got to just download both the images. Once the images are downloaded, you go to the folder, extract custom headphone to custom headphone folder, so that it is easier for you to know. And as you can see that both the images are here now. Now all you got to do is you have to go to another site, which is a free site, which is called, again I'm just starting over from here, so I'll go to this place called GIF Maker. So this is onlineimageditor.com /GIF Maker. You could search on Google, or I will also put the text link here. All you got to do here is that you come here and in the place GIF Maker, and then go ahead and go to your folder, which is custom headphone folder, and upload image one by one. This is the first image you uploaded. You go ahead and upload the second image as well. You have uploaded the second image as well. Now you can see that there is a delay. So what it means that this image will come after a delay of 100 seconds, this image will come, and after a delay of 100 seconds this image again will come. So we'll reduce the gap to say 50 seconds, 50 I mean 0.5 second in a way, and just that's it. And then you create animation, and all that will happen here. As you can see that animation is done, the blinking text is done. It will also take you to this place wherein all you got to do is either you can go ahead and then make changes to this, which I will show you in a later part of video, but for the time being just go ahead and then save this part, and then save image to local, and it will save your animation image. And as you can see that this is what you have created in a matter of seconds. All right. So this is one way of creating all, and what I told you was that I would want to create this join now or click here kind of animation. That is done. We will try to create something like the changing text one by one, right? This is as well very simple, and I will just get started there as well. Okay. You come back here again, click on create a design, again create a new design with the same image size. It will take you to again Canva. I'm using Canva right now, but I will show you how can if you don't know how to make use of Canva, then there will be another tool as well, which is the free tool again. So let's take this one, this image this time, and all that we are going to do here is, this is first time it's a tight knit sweater, and then I'll just copy it over here and then call it buy now. Again say buy now, or let's call it 50% off, and third will be buy now. That's all. Now go ahead, same thing all over again. Go ahead and then save this. It's gonna save here in the folder. Go to TitanNet Sweater again. So there was something I was doing earlier. So okay, now all the three images are here. Again, same thing all over again. Go back to the GIF maker. Go ahead, one by one, upload all the three images one by one. So here we have TitanNet Sweater 1 again. You upload one, then choose file. Go ahead, upload another one. Choose file. Go ahead and upload another one. And again, okay, upload. So now all three are done. Just click on create an animation and you are done. So see how the text would be changing, and again the same process all over again. You can repeat, you can go here, you can just go ahead and then save it, and then it will download to the folder here in local images. You get this banner, and then you can upload it to maybe any server wherein you want to upload, and then you can provide the link uh, to various places, and from there it will be able to get downloaded. Now the next thing which I want to show you on this itself is when you come to this online image editor, there are a couple of other options available. Something like when you come to animation part, then there are floaties. Let me show you what the floaties could do. Say if I select this floaty, all that it will do is that it will start coming on top of it. So rather than creating any other kind of animation, you can just put some static text, and then you can just click on this add floaties. Let me do an undo here. Okay, and then let me get some stars here, or glitters here, right? So the glitter, what it will do is it will put some glitters on top of the text. For example, let me just take this glitter thing and then try to put some glitter on here. It works better when you are having the text as static, and it will just keep on showing the glitter on the text itself. Then there is another option which is the text glitter altogether. Let me just do another time. Glitter text. Glitter text is this kind of text which you can make use of. So let me just go ahead and then start over so that it is better understood. You are here, you go to a canvas. Here again the same thing you can do. This is the tool I was talking about. If you don't have Canva, you can just come here and then can do the same thing over here as well. So you can again make use of the size, which I forgot. The size is 468 by 60. So let me just make use of that size, 468 by 60 size, and let me change the color of the canvas. So let me say there are a couple of options available. I'm making use of this black color, for example, and only one color. There are gradient and transparent and plasma options available. I'm creating that canvas. Now this canvas is getting created. Now all you can do is that go to animation, which I was showing you, glitter text, and then this text could come on top of this. It will also have the same kind of effect like the animation, right? So you can just type here that get 50% off and say preview. So this is how it will start showing get 50%. This is also giving you kind of an animation effect. You apply this and then you save it, and then you will be able to download. You can do this, right? And this is also another way of creating animation. There are a couple of other options available here. For example, you can add glitter, which I showed you, and then adding stars is another option. And so what you can do is see, you can see that there is one star added, and then you can randomize it. You can add another star as well, and then put it over, say here, and then say randomize it again, apply. So you could see that the blinking stars here and there. This is another way of creating animation. Then then say there rain effect you want to give, and pouring rain effect you want to give, and uh, this is some of the option available. Okay, so maybe it's not visible on this one, but it gives a rain effect. If I take that canvas as white, then it will start showing. So all I'm trying to tell you that there are a couple of other options available here to create animation, wherein you don't want to change the text or blink the text, but then you can do the same thing here as well. So all in all, I think we have covered some simple banners here. One is that clicking on blinking text button, uh, and then this changing the text. This will again be the same. Only thing is that there will be the image, the background remains the same, like the one I had created, and the text would keep changing. Same thing over here. What you got to do if you want to create something like this, then you have to create 3 or 4 images. In first image, you will have just only this part, second image, both the parts, and third image, all the 3 parts together. And then one by one, you just put the images one after another and put some delay, and you will be able to create the banner as well. So guys, this was a simple tutorial to create GIF banners. If you want to create advanced GIF banners, then you have to make use of tools such as Adobe Photoshop. But you are good to go with the simple tools like this if you want to create simple banners. So that's all I wanted to convey in this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, please comments below. And thank you so much again.